Welcome to this gorgeous contemporary lodge-style home on more than 2.5 acres in Beaver Creek. Situated in a tranquil setting with a large lawn and surrounding mature trees, it feels both expansive and private. Enjoy Mount Hood views and the serenity of the peaceful location. A covered front porch invites you inside. You'll discover a warm and welcoming interior with 3 stone wood-burning fireplaces and multiple spaces for family gatherings. The delightful updated kitchen has Mount Hood views and features beautiful granite and stainless steel appliances. It opens to an eating nook and spacious living areas ready for entertaining or just relaxing with friends and family. On the upper level, you'll find 4 bedrooms, including the large master suite. From the bay window, take in the peaceful views. The master bath features a large shower and a separate jetted tub. With more than 3,000 square feet, there's plenty of space for everyone. Plus, there's access to a bonus space above. You can connect with nature on your wraparound deck under the trees and take in views of Mount Hood. Other features include a garden shed, another shed or playhouse, a finished garage with built-in storage and RV parking. A move-in ready, remodeled home in an expansive yet private setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your personal tour, please contact David Maudlin with Premier Property Group at 503-799-3903.